Hey guys, Travis Edmonds. I'm with Lincoln Electric. I work out of the pipe group. Today we're going to be talking about Pipeliner L-HD and welding through 3 o'clock. All right, in the previous video I put a pass in up top. I stopped before I got to 3 o'clock. Now that's important. You don't want to stop in 3 o'clock because this is one of the trickier areas to start and stop. So we're going to stop above it unless you can weld through it. Stopping up here, coming down the side. When you're coming through, you want to increase your drag angle. You're going to increase your arc length a little bit. I had my helper bump me up 10 amps, and that'll carry me through towards the bottom. Once I get to the bottom, I'll adjust my amperage again. We'll get to that in another video. So let's fire off and see how it goes. All right, here we go, coming in. Just gonna touch and go, here we go. A little bit of manipulation on the electrode, lengthening my arc, paying attention to the puddle and the slag, keeping it back, and really letting that puddle tell me what to do. Now kind of tightening up that arc length a little bit, bringing that angle back to closer to 0 or 10 degrees, and now quickly whipping out down the joint. There you go, that's how you have it, welding through 3 o'clock with Pipeliner L-HD. If you have any questions regarding this product or any other Lincoln Electric product, go to lincolnelectric.com.